A lot of people ask me, how am I going to widen the stance at the back? Because obviously at the front I'm running 2 to 5 tires and whatnot. On the rear I've decided to stick with the original 195, maybe 205 tires. So it's going to be a staggered setup. Wide at the front, narrow at the rear, because it's a front wheel drive and it's pointless to actually carry extra weight for wider tires. Before you ask, what about the grip? Well, the rear is going to be set up so it gives maximum grip, also with aero, the wing and everything. Hopefully it should be okay. Anyways, there's this mainly what people use is spacer, wheel spacer. But because I need quite a lot, I was not prepared to go for such massive spacers, because it adds extra load onto the bearing and all that. So what we decided to do is make this. Yep, those are the spacers. A very common spacer to use is one of those. This was bought from Pure Motorsport. I think this is a 10 mil kit. Yeah, that's a 10 mil spacer. Pure Motorsport sell them, and you can actually get it comes with extended bolts, and you can get actually double, which will extend yours by 20 mil. This one is a whopping 40 mil. It's machined aluminium, 6 series, so it's very strong. It's fairly light. Actually, you probably know, since I'm chasing every single gram everywhere. Let's see what the weight is. It's not light. 490 grams each. Let's just see. Actually, thinking about it, a 10 mil spacer, that's 210 grams. 210 grams for 10 mil spacer. We have 40 mil spacers. So if I were to do 4 of these, for example, then this would be 800 grams. So we're half the weight, which is good. But there is no other two ways about it. Also, a lot of you probably are aware that on the original stub axle hub thingy bob, you have 3 M10 bolts and 1 which is M8. I have no idea why Renault did it. I can only assume it's so you don't bolt it incorrectly, as in it has to be sided and whichever way. We are upgrading all to M10. So I bought these bolts. There is one company in England that I could find literally that does them. This is 12.9, so super high tensile. They're 100 mil. I've drilled out the hole, and I made it countersunk, so we would be able to bolt the whole assembly like that to the hub, and then we are 40 mil wider on each side, which is probably exactly what we need. When I say probably, is because there's always a degree of uncertainty with anything I do. I cannot say for sure, but let's go and fit it so I can actually put the wheels on, and then we know exactly where and how much to chop from the original arches. Let's go. All right, let's have a look how it fits. Moment of truth. Yes, nice and snug. By the way, it would be wrong for me to claim all the glory for making this. It's been made by ProtoPart, but the design has been done by Michael Taylor. Check out his Instagram. He has a C Clio, and it's another Clio that has been currently built with the same MC Racing body kit. Quite excited about his car as well. Should be a beast. So yeah, go check him out. Thank you, Michael. It fits perfect. Your design was good. He's running exactly the same 40 mil, and he's done all the calculations when I said or whatever. Anyways, the next step is to fit all of this. We need to. Seems perfect to me. Let's bolt this on, put the brake disc on, and put the wheel on, lower the car, and then we can see where we're at. What can I say? Michael Taylor, you've done your math right. It's absolutely perfect. As you can see, literally on the compression, it will be just tucked inside, just about. Very happy. Again, thank you so much for the CAD file. Yeah, very happy how it sits. Perfect width, exactly what we need. I've lost the words there. I'm not sure what I'm gonna be doing next, to be honest with you. I'm still waiting for my custom parts from ProtoPart guys. Hopefully should be here any day now, and then we can actually, I'm waiting for more parts from Easy Composites again, because I've run out of my reinforcement and resins and stuff, because we're making something else. Oh, and I'm also waiting for a fuel tank from AH Fabrications. Yeah, I've been asking for a lot of parts to be made for me recently. That's not a good trend. But you'll see why. You will see why. Anyways, let's tackle another small job.